ជំរាបសួរអ្នកទាំងអស់គ្នាបាទស្វាគមន៍មកកាន់ការរៀនភាសាខ្មែរជាមួយខ្ញុំម្ដងទៀតហើយខ្ញុំតារាមកពីខាងខ្មែរ lesson សង្ឃឹមថាអ្នកទាំងអស់គ្នាសុខសប្បាយថ្ងៃនេះហើយថ្ងៃនេះខ្ញុំមានវីដេអូថ្មីមួយសម្រាប់អ្នកទាំងអស់គ្នាបាទដោយរាល់ដងថ្ងៃនេះយើងនឹងនិយាយអំពីបាទការរៀន WA question ជាភាសាខ្មែរបាទចឹងនៅក្នុងមេរៀននេះអ្នកទាំងអស់គ្នានឹងរៀន WA ចំនួន7បាទមាន what why where when which who ហើយនិង whose អូខេអញ្ចឹងចង់ដឹងថានៅក្នុងវីដេអូនេះរបៀបដែលយើងបង្កើតសំណួរជាមួយ WA នៅក្នុងភាសាខ្មែរយ៉ាងម៉េចតោះឥឡូវយើងចាប់ផ្ដើមទាំងអស់គ្នា Hello everyone, welcome back to Learn Khmer with my channel and I'm Dara from the Khmer lesson. But I hope everyone is good and today I have a new video for you. And in this video I will teach you all how to make question with WA question in Khmer. And in this video you will learn seven WA question like what, where, why, when, which, who, and whose. Okay, so if you would like to know how to make question with this WA question, okay, right now let's get started with me together. Okay, everyone, right now we can start by WA questions. But in this video, you will learn seven WA question in Khmer, like what, where, when, why, which, who, and whose. So right now we start from number one is what. Many students know already the meaning of what in Khmer, but the right word for what is away. But in spoken, mostly, or I can say everyone like to say a. A for common speaking. Now we always say a. But when you write or use informal way, but you say away. And common a. Okay. And here is the form in Khmer. In English, when you make a question of what or other WA question, you always use at the beginning. But in Khmer, different. For what, we use at the end. So I can say most question word in Khmer, we use at the end. Just except like one or two question word only that you can use at the beginning. Okay, so here is a form in Khmer. We use subject, verb, and plus something like complement or object, and then use a at the end of the sentence. Now look at the example. For example, អ្នកចូលចិត្តញ៉ាំអី អ្នកចូលចិត្តញ៉ាំអី It means what do you like to eat? So you use what do you like to eat? And Khmer form we use you like it what? Ní Khmer form đó. You like it what? អ្នកចូលចិត្តញ៉ាំអី So you see it's simple to make question in Khmer. You don't need auxiliary verb do does what or any other question word at the beginning. Making question word in Khmer, you use simple sentence like positive, subject, verb, and then you just add question word, and it become question in Khmer. Very easy. So this is how to use what in Khmer. Next one about where. But for where I have two different use that you see. I use 2A and a bit more you will see 2B. Now learn 2A first. So where in Khmer we say នៅណា và and form the same subject verb and then at the end use នៅណា បាទ now let's see example ផ្ទះរបស់អ្នកនៅណាផ្ទះរបស់អ្នកនៅណា បាទ so របស់នេះ is optional you can drop no worry បាទ and in English you say where is your house where is your house បាទ so your house in Khmer we say house your បាទ then we say ផ្ទះរបស់អ្នក or ផ្ទះអ្នកនៅណាផ្ទះរបស់អ្នកនៅណា បាទ so I need how to use where with នៅណា and now you go to see to be you will see different translation បាទ so to be where just translate ណាណា បាទ so in this case we use ណា not នៅណា but why you know okay you can note with these 4 verbs បាទ so when you make any sentence by making question with where and use this word in the sentence but you have to remember you cannot say នៅណា you have to say ណាណា បាទ like the word go live stay and come from now look at the example one by one example អ្នកទៅណាអ្នកទៅណា so you see we don't say អ្នកទៅនៅណាអ្នកទៅនៅណា បាទ I mean where do you go in Khmer you go where អ្នកទៅណា បាទ and with the verb to live បាទ with the verb to live អ្នករស់នៅណាអ្នករស់នៅណា បាទ នេះ easy to make note you see the word រស់នៅ is the word to live and in this word you have the word នៅ already from the word to live and then if you use one more នៅ from where you will say like this អ្នករស់នៅនៅណា so it has two នៅ and sounds so strange but this is why you need to remove one from where and then you just say អ្នករស់នៅណា where do you live in Khmer you live where បាទ you see simple next one is the word to stay it's the same as the word to live because the word to stay you say ស្នាក់នៅ snack no and then we have no also this is why you remove one no from where អ្នកស្នាក់នៅណាអ្នកស្នាក់នៅណា you stay where okay បាទ one more with the word come from បាទអ្នកមកពីណា បាទនេះ mostly you know when you ask about someone like where you from បាទ where you from អ្នកមកពីណា បាទ and then in Khmer we say you come from where បាទ you come from where អ្នកមកពីណា បាទ so you see this is how to use where in general and where with these 4 verbs បាទ so when you say you have to think about this ណា okay បាទ so this is how to use where in Khmer number 3 បាទ number 3 you use when ពេលណាពេលណា បាទ and then some Khmer form the same subject verb and then ពេលណា example អ្នកនឹងមកផ្ទះពេលណាអ្នកនឹងមកផ្ទះពេលណា when will you come home when will you come home បាទ and then in Khmer we say you come oh you will okay will នេះ you use after subject in Khmer you will come home when you will come home when បាទអ្នកនឹងមកផ្ទះពេលណា see បាទ the same for WA question next one number 4 why បាទ why okay អានេះ different from other WA question because we always use at the beginning like in English as well បាទ this is why in the form you see I use had a and then plus subject and then verb and then okay something បាទ had a អានេះ also like the word for why នេះ had អ្វី had អ្វី is the same as what that you say អ្វី but in spoken we always say had a we use a like អ្វីណាបាទ a had a បាទ now let's see example ហេតុអីអ្នករៀនខ្មែរហេតុអីអ្នករៀនខ្មែរ why do you study ខ្មែរ why do you study ខ្មែរ in Khmer structure in Khmer form we say you why you study Khmer it's the same as in English but we don't have do anymore but why do you study Khmer why you study Khmer ហេតុអីអ្នករៀនខ្មែរអូខេបាទ this is how to use why បាទ number 5 which បាទ which នេះ just na as well like the same as the second use of where with for verbs okay អានេះ na also បាទ example អ្នកចូលចិត្តឡានណាអ្នកចូលចិត្តឡានណា which car do you like which car do you like in Khmer you like car which you like car which អ្នកចូលចិត្តឡានណាបាទនេះ how to use which in Khmer បាទ number 6 about who បាទអានេះ we have A and B as well because when you use who there are two who is used as a subject and who is used as an object and the place okay different when you use who as a subject okay it stands at the beginning like why but because it is a subject it stands before verb okay but like you see in the form អ្នកណា and then plus verb and then okay object or complement now let's see example អ្នកណាចង់ញ៉ាំម្ហូបនេះអ្នកណាចង់ញ៉ាំម្ហូបនេះ who wants to eat this food who wants to eat this food but so you see start with who and wants is a verb want to eat this food បាទអ្នកណាចង់ញ៉ាំម្ហូបនេះ so it's the same as ខ្មែរ you say who want eat food this បាទ this food we say foodie we say ម្ហូបនេះអ្នកណាបាទ so this is how to use who as a subject and now look at who as an object បាទ ហើយនេះ you use at the end like other WA question as well subject plus verb and then អ្នកណា okay example អ្នកនិយាយជាមួយអ្នកណាអ្នកនិយាយជាមួយអ្នកណា but in English you don't change you don't move who to the end you still use at the beginning but in Khmer no so you have to see this a bit it is subject or object but so in this case who is an object and a subject is you but and then in Khmer we say you speak with who or maybe you say you speak with whom but it is very old already no so right now we never use we don't use whom anymore but in Khmer you say you speak with who you speak with who អ្នកនិយាយជាមួយអ្នកណា you see so who is an object and go to the end but so this is how to use who as a subject and object very simple and easy to understand now the last one the last one is whose បាទ is whose in Khmer you say របស់អ្នកណារបស់អ្នកណា but everyone know the word របស់ already you remember when you use possessive adjective like my like your you will use this word right របស់បាទនេះ not របស់ខ្ញុំរបស់អ្នក but របស់ who បាទ and also របស់នេះ it mean like you can use with the word belong to I mean belong to who បាទ this is why whose we say របស់អ្នកណាបាទ look at the form subject verb and របស់អ្នកណា as usual now let's see example នេះជាឡានរបស់អ្នកណានេះជាឡានរបស់អ្នកណា whose car is this whose car is this and in Khmer we say this is car whose this is car whose នេះជាឡានរបស់អ្នកណាបាទ this is how to use whose in Khmer language បាទអូខេឥឡូវនេះខ្ញុំសូមបញ្ចប់វីដេអូត្រឹមប៉ុណ្នេះហើយអរគុណសម្រាប់ការទស្សនាខ្ញុំសង្ឃឹមថាវីដេអូនេះនឹងមានប្រយោជន៍សម្រាប់អ្នកទាំងអស់គ្នាក្នុងការរៀនភាសាខ្មែរនិងក្នុងការបង្កើតសំណួរជាមួយនឹង WH បាទហើយបើអ្នកទាំងអស់គ្នាអត់យល់ឬក៏មានគំនិតឬក៏អត់ច្បាស់ពីចំណុចណាមួយនៅក្នុងវីដេអូនេះបាទសូមឲ្យខ្ញុំដឹងនៅក្នុងកន្លែង comment ហើយខ្ញុំនឹងព្យាយាមឆ្លើយសំណួររបស់អ្នកទាំងអស់គ្នាបាទម្ដងទៀតសូមអរគុណសម្រាប់ការទស្សនាវីដេអូនេះពីដើមដល់ចប់ហើយខ្ញុំនឹងជួបអ្នកទាំងអស់គ្នានៅវីដេអូក្រោយៗទៀត Okay, that's all for this lesson and thanks so much for watching. I hope this video is useful for everyone who are learning Khmer and would like to make question with WA question. But as usual, if you are not clear or not understand or have any idea from this video, please let me know in the comment section and I will try to answer your question. But again, thanks so much for watching and I will see you in the next video.